Hello everyone. In this video I just want to share with you guys my experience with this chemical cataclean. Okay, so what happened was, I think about a week ago, while I was driving my Lexus, the rx330, and all of a sudden I get like this the light, I think the VSC, and the other one, the wiggly light, turns on. So I got out my scan tool and I tested it, and then it shows that error code P0430. So I went to O'Reilly and I bought this. This one, it's $26 something. It says here it's really good and all kinds of stuff, and it should clean the oxygen sensors. It should clean the fuel injector and the cylinder heads, all kinds of stuff, all the goodies. And it's been in the vehicle for about a week. And to use this thing, make sure you have like a quarter of a tank, gas tank, and then pour this in, and then drive it, and then fill it up with the whole gas tank. And about maybe 5 minutes ago, I got my scan tool and I tested again, and it's no longer there. So in my opinion, this thing does work. I don't know if it's ever gonna come back, but because afterwards, after I filled this up, I drove it and I erased all the codes. And earlier I tested it and there's no code. Everything looks good. So I think that's the second time that it happened to the Lexus with that error. So I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with them. Maybe the fuel injector or the oxygen sensors that need to be cleaned. But ever since then, well, not ever since then, but just after the last time, I filled up with the 91 gas. So I don't know if that's helped, but so far I'll keep you guys posted if it ever come back or if actually fix the issues. So this thing's right here. By the way, I'm not sponsored by this brand. It's just the fact that, you know, it worked for me. So just want to bring it out there to the audience or to someone who's in the same situations. My Lexus has 176,000 miles. Pretty much everything is original. All I ever did to the Lexus was the major service tune-ups, like the timing belt, the tensioner, the water pump, the thermostat, the spark plugs, the coolant. But other than that, everything's original. So I don't know how long it's gonna last, but hopefully maybe another 100,000 miles. Who knows? But thank you for watching. If you guys having the same issues with the error code P0430, you might want to give this a try and see if it's gonna work for you guys. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.